Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got China Glaze, I Truly Azure You, and KN34 stamping plate. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here is China Glaze, I Truly Azure You. Azure You. It's a beautiful, beautiful polish, perfect for summer. It's just gorgeous. Now this is not the most amazing China Glaze formula ever, but it is pretty good. And I think this one, if it had the newer China Glaze brush in it, it would be much better. So I'm going to cap my free edge here. Got that first coat done. I'm pretty happy about that. It does level out really nice, and it's got a smooth formula. It's just a little bit tricky to mess with, kind of a little runny. Got to be careful how much you put on the brush, or how much is coming down the wand of the brush. Because that can be a problem sometimes with some of these polishes. But I really love this base. Just a nice, beautiful, bright blue with some shimmer. So I am going to top it with a Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. I'm going to get it to dry down so that we can do some stamping. I'm going to do some playing on these nails today. Cap that free edge. I'll be using KN34, my Beauty Scraper, and my Monocle Stamper, Braves Diva on the black stamping polish. And I'm going to use a couple of different, well actually 3 different images off of this plate today. I did change out to my AliExpress stamper. I attempted using the other one. I wasn't able to roll it good enough to get the image to pick up nice, so I did have to change stampers. Sorry I'm out of frame, but I did that one kind of diagonally on the pointer nail, or the index nail, whatever you want to call it. And now I'm going to use like half of this image on a nail. Sorry I am out of frame. If I would have like tried to cut all this out, there wouldn't be nothing to this video. So I've done like half images on both of those nails, and now I'm back to the little image, the full image of this little cute butterfly. You know, some days I have issues staying in frame, and I do apologize. And once again, there we are out of frame. But you can see I'm actually stamping on that one. So I've got them all stamped up, and I'm using Shut Out from Braves Diva, a white cream, and my dotting tool just to go in and add some little dots to this. You know, I'm just playing, but I thought the dots would, you know, kind of break it up a little bit and make it interesting. I don't know. And now we're going to top this one with some of the Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls, and it really makes that stamping pop. Something about putting that top coat over some black stamping just always makes it look so much better. Cap that free edge. And I really did enjoy this one. This is one of those that I just looked at. I just kept looking at it, kept catching myself. Hi Woody, how you doing? So I really enjoyed it. And here's some of that Manny in motion. And I do have a swatch photo coming up here very soon. But I would love to hear what you think about this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. I want to thank you for watching. And until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon.